A good mentor will empower you and will want to see you succeed, will provide encouragement and advice as well as constructive criticism in helping their mentee achieve the goals that mentee sets for themselves. Hi, my name is Phillip Price, and I am a third-year graduate student in the neuroscience program at Emory University, located in Atlanta, Georgia. Currently, my research focuses on studying spinal muscular atrophy. Spinal muscular atrophy, or SMA, is a neurodegenerative disease that leads to progressive muscle atrophy and degeneration. It is the leading genetic cause of infant mortality, and together with my PIs Wilfred Rossell and Gary Bassell, we're hoping to understand how intracellular trafficking contributes to the disease pathology. I first became interested in science around my sophomore year of undergraduate education. I was taking a number of different psychology courses in which I was exposed to ideas of neurological disorders, of perception, of development, and although I found all of these very interesting, I found that my curiosity really resided in understanding the underlying mechanisms of these disorders. So I picked up a biology degree and took advantage of any research opportunity that I could, and ultimately combined the two in my pursuit of a doctoral degree at Emory. As an ABRCMS scholar, I had the opportunity to attend a Keystone Symposia in Keystone, Colorado. The particular meeting I attended was titled Neurological Disorders of Intracellular Trafficking. This was a phenomenal experience. The conference brought together a number of outstanding scientists that were very enthusiastic about their research and very approachable, very welcoming, and just excited about what they did and answering questions. There were a number of different parallels that you could see formed between seemingly unrelated disorders, but the conference also highlighted the diversity and complexity of a number of these disorders and how many unanswered questions we still have. Apart from the science, the conference itself, you could tell, was structured to facilitate collaborations and networking. There was ample time for asking any lingering questions you might have, following up with individuals to suggest future directions or experiments, and really just diving deeper into the research that was presented. I met a number of different graduate students, many of which I keep in contact with. We exchange protocols, papers, and I look forward to seeing them develop as scientists. I was also fortunate enough to attend a Meet the Scientist session. During this session, a panel of very accomplished scientists, both from academia and industry, sat with myself and a number of other graduate students and early career scientists and gave their advice, their personal experience, and answered any questions we might have about navigating a career path. I think as a graduate student, many of us have uncertainties and worry about the future and career opportunities upon graduation. Hearing the panel talk about their non-linear career paths, any unorthodox job positions they might have taken, really was encouraging and inspiring to continue your doctoral degree and knowing that it's going to be worth it. The need for more diversity in science is evident in nearly every facet of STEM, be it academic or industry. There are just far too few underrepresented individuals in positions of leadership in different fields of science. I believe that the loss of talented individuals due to feelings of exclusion or isolation or inadequacy is simply unacceptable, and it's really stifling our growth as a nation and society. Increasing diversity will not only improve student retention, workplace productivity, and innovation, but it also allows us to address a civic responsibility to eradicating inequality and intolerance. As a developing scientist and an underrepresented individual, I can't stress enough the importance of effective mentorship. Life is filled with unexpected obstacles, and be it moments of doubt, failure, or just disappointment in work or personal life, an effective mentor wants to see you succeed and can be an invaluable resource in navigating and overcoming these obstacles. If I had to assign one particular trait to being an effective mentor, it would be finding a mentor that is truly invested in you as an individual. A good mentor will empower you and will want to see you succeed, will provide encouragement and advice as well as constructive criticism in helping their mentee achieve the goals that mentee sets for themselves. If I could provide 3 pieces of advice for a young person hoping to pursue a career in science, the first would be establishing a community of people that are invested in your personal, professional, and scientific development. These people can be mentors, peers, friends, colleagues, organizations. It is essential, though, to have those people. It makes things like troubleshooting science experiments, proofreading papers, or even navigating career paths so much easier. The second would be embracing failure, understanding that failure is going to be part of the experience and that it's going to make you a better scientist and a better person. Lastly, would be networking. Make sure you embrace any opportunity you can to network, meet people within your field and outside of your field, because you never know where opportunities in academia or science may take you. Thank you.